Your body talks. Your body tells you when there's a problem. Most of the time, the main alert that we get is when you stand on the scale, you have added a weight, or your clothes are not fitting. That's the one that we look much more onto. We have different systems. We have your digestive system. There are 7 body checks anyway: your digestive system, circulatory system, your immune system. All the systems that we have are the ones that will give you the signs. For example, if you wake up, if you always are getting headaches, you need to ask, there's something happening within your system that it is coming up as a headache. It could be foods that you're eating. It could be because of you're not drinking enough water, you're hydrated. It could be because you're skipping meals. It could be because of so many reasons. So your body is telling you something. So that is simple signs like those. If you wake up, or if within no time you start developing acne, you start developing skin problems, you now know that then there's a problem within, because the skin to have acne and all that, it is from the within. So it's showing you that your digestive system may be having a problem, or your hormonal or your hormones may be having, your reproductive system may be having a problem. So it means maybe you could be taking foods that are high in fat and foods that are high in sugar that really affect the skin. The skin acts as a third kidney. So when your system is clogged, now the system is looking for ways to come out. And of course, it starts with the face. So that's a second one. We look at if you're getting frequent infections, your body is talking to you. Within 1 year, you cannot shift a cold. Within 1 year, so many things are happening. You're getting like 3 colds in a year. It shows that your immunity is low. It means that you're not feeding your system with that protect the immunity. If you're not having regular bowel movements, if you're having small things like gassing, bloatedness, sometimes we even talk about having things like chicken skin, where your skin is so, it looks like, especially on your legs, on your thighs, or in your arms, it looks like it's rough, like the way when you remove chicken, the feathers, the way it looks roughish like that. Those are signs. You find that you have low energy levels. Those are signs. It's your body talking to you. And the best thing is to decode these symptoms as they come in. You decode them immediately. You find that something is happening. You decode them before it becomes into something serious. Because decoding, and that's why we are told to go for checkups. When you go for a checkup, you're decoding anything that could be happening because you do not know what is happening within. So if you have anything that happens that is not normal, or that we take for granted, I'm constipated, it happens to me all the time, then you need to tell yourself, no, that constipation will lead to something. I'm not able to wake up early in the morning. I have no energy in the morning. I've had people who say that waking up takes me so much time, I have to take coffee. That is a sign. You're either eating the wrong foods, that will make you crave food. You're not providing nutrients that you need. That is also a sign. Small things like those ones. You're at the gym. You really want to exercise. I'm telling you that even if it's jogging, you're trying to jog, you go 100 feet, 10 feet, and you're tired. That is also a sign. Going up the staircase and you're tired. Those are small signs to tell you that, hey, you need to adjust on something, because there's something that you're not doing right. So the body speaks to you. And the best thing is, like I'd said, we are fearfully created, wonderfully created. Your body, if you provide the cells with what they need, you're able to renew and rejuvenate them, and you keep healthy. So it's not the end. Your cells are renewed and rejuvenated every day. Provide what it needs, then you keep healthy for a long time.